Meet Harriet, the dog. Y'all should expect to see a good bit of her.
Yeah, baby, I know.
So here is a proper introduction.
Harriet came to us about 3 years ago. She's a red heeler-pitbull mix. She came to us when she was about 5 months old, and she was in pretty rough shape. She'd been on the streets for a little while, and so she was underweight, and what's also unfortunate is she was abused. Somebody was pretty rough on her before, and so she kind of had she was developing a fear of people. And it took her a couple of days before she warmed up to me, but I tell you, 2 hot dogs will take care of all those fears. So I fed her just a little bit, and she stuck around, and we're just so fortunate to have her here. So she's the shop mascot, the production supervisor, and generally handles all of the comments and DMs that might be sent to the account. Now, of course, she doesn't type it all out; she dictates, and then I type. So that's usually her job. Good pup.
If I'm out in the shop, there's a good chance she is too, keeping a lookout and making sure I am properly supervised.